All right, everybody, here we are at the Styles tab. Buckle up, it's going to be a long one. Just kidding. It's going to be really quick. So here we go. Check it out. You have four options here: primary color, logo, buttons, and favicon. Very, very simple to do. With your primary color, you can use the color picker here as well as the scale if you'd like to, or you can go down here and choose by hex code, RGB, or your HSL. All up to you. Very simple to do. Moving down to the logo aspect of things, go ahead and click on here and you can upload your logo from your computer. And then once you do so, you will have the opportunity to add your URL below so you can have a link to your website. Here is the recommended size right here, so you can utilize that. Doesn't need to be spot on, but we do recommend right around that area. Now with the button side of things, you'll have to do a couple things here. First and foremost, you'll have to pick your normal, which is how the button stands as is when nobody is engaging them. As you can see here with University of Texas at Arlington, they have blue, but then there's a hover option too, which will change to orange. You can choose how you want to make that work right here. So as you can see, it's on normal right now. You'll go ahead and add your button color as well as the background color. And then once you move over to the hover, then you can change it right there as well. You can also do the RGB, the HSL, as well as the hex here, as you can see. Moving down, all you need to do is pick your favicon, upload right from your computer, and then once you have everything ready to rock and roll, you'll have the opportunity to save everything that you've put in here by clicking update, and then you'll go into your publish button over here or your publish button here and then publishing your options, and you will be complete.